Number 45. The first American Women's Rights Convention was held in which state? A. Georgia, B. New York, C. Ohio, D. Virginia. Number 46. What was the name of the formerly enslaved African American who attracted huge crowds to hear her eloquent speeches? Was that A. Dorothea Dix, B. Harriet Tubman, C. Sarah Grimke, or D. Sojourner Truth? The next passage goes with number 47. I am aware that many object to the severity of my language, but is there not cause for severity? I will be as harsh as truth, and as uncompromising as justice. On this subject I do not wish to think or speak or write with moderation. No, no, tell a man whose hour is on fire to give a moderate alarm. Urge me not to use moderation in a cause like the present. I am in earnest. I will not equivocate. I will not excuse. I will not retreat a single inch, and I will be heard. This was said by William Lloyd Garrison in The Liberator in 1831. In this passage, what's Garrison's tone? Is he calm? Is he informative? Is he insincere, or is he passionate? 48. The North Star was the anti-slavery newspaper that was edited by A. David Walker, B. Frederick Douglass, C. Sojourner Truth, or D. Susan B. Anthony. The next section is matching. It's set up in groups of 5. Here's the word list for the first 5. A. Frederick Douglass, B. Revivals, C. Underground Railroad, D. Place of Freedom, and E. Walt Whitman. Number 49. These were religious camp meetings. 50. This person wrote Leaves of Grass. 51. Liberia. 52. The North Star editor. 53. This was an escape route for runaway enslaved people. Here's the word list for the next set of 5. A. Maria Mitchell, B. 19th Amendment, C. Suffrage, D. Susan B. Anthony, E. Women abolitionists. Number 54. These were the first Americans to work for women's rights. 55. This person discovered the orbit of a new comet. 56. This allowed women the right to vote. 57. This was a controversial women's issue. 58. This person organized the Daughters of Temperance. Here's the next set of 5. The word list is A. Henry David Thoreau, B. Hudson River School, C. Coeducation, D. Harriet Beecher Stowe, and E. Elizabeth Cady Stanton. Uh, 59. This was a group of landscape painters. 60. This person practiced civil disobedience. 61. This person wrote Uncle Tom's Cabin. 62. This person demanded women's suffrage. And 63. This was called for by Susan B. Anthony. Here's the word list for the next set of 5. A. William Lloyd Garrison. B. Sojourner Truth. C. The Grimke Sisters. D. Benjamin Lundy. And E. Liberia. 64. This person founded the genius of universal emancipation. 65. This was the place of freedom. 66. This was the founded the Liberator. 67. Wrote American Slavery as It Is. And 68. Isabella Baumfree was also known as this name. Here is the next set of 5. The word list is A. Civil disobedience. B. Temperance. C. Nathaniel Currier. D. Emma Willard. E. Cotton Kingdom. 69. This was another name or word for the southern states. 70. This is a refusal to obey laws that are thought to be unjust. 71. This is the founder of the Troy Female Seminary. 72. This word means drinking little or no alcohol. And 73. This is a printmaker who celebrated holidays and rural life.